Alright guys, let me show you my room. This is the Royal Resort room. I haven't been here before. It's a little cheaper. So as you walk in, you're going to see this mirror right here. And then over here, there's a bathroom. There's this right in this door. There's some kind of noise, like a water noise. I try to open it up, and I can't. I don't know what's in here. But can you guys hear that noise? Like a water noise. Coffee maker, cups. Oh, I didn't see this. Refrigerator. You walk into the bathroom. Toilet. Bathtub. Good bathtub. Okay, and you walk out. Here's a nice painting. We have a desk right here. We have 2 nightstands, and this is a king size bed. This bed looks really big, so I'm happy about that. Then we have the TV. I don't watch TV, so we have some drawers. We have a little table if you want to just take some food to go or do some writing. Nice lamp. Little chair. And here's outside. A little bit of a view. Let me show you. Look, a little balcony. Let me show you guys. So we've got the nice view of the Royal Resort sign. And there's Ross. So yeah, I paid $66 a night by using Orbitz. I saved a little bit of money because most of the hotel rooms on the Strip were like over $200 a night on the weekend, and I was like, it's too expensive. I did have to pay, the check-in time is at 3 p.m. and I came around 1, so I did have to pay a $28 early check-in fee, but that's fine because it was so cheap here and $28 isn't much. I just wanted to check in my hotel, and then I wanted to just do whatever, like go to lunch or whatever.